Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are covering labeling scales. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on the I button. Now let's start music theory. So our today topic is labeling scales. So in this we have to label these scales, then write triad on the tonic and label them with Roman numerals. So we have to find out which scale is it, and is it going down or is it going up. Then we have to find out and make the triad on the first and the last note, and then we have to check with the represented with the Roman numeral number. Okay, so let's start with this one first. So you can see this is treble clef and this is B flat. So we know B flat we find either in D minor or F major, right? So now we have to find out which one is it. Is it D minor or F major? We have to check the first note. Now the first note you can see is F. So F, and the last note is also F. So that means this is F major scale. So let's write down that first. So this is our F major scale going up. Okay, now so we got this one. Now let's make the triad. So we make this is first third degree and fifth degree. Here first degree, then we have to make third degree and then the fifth degree. Okay, and we represent it with Roman numeral number. Okay, we finish it here. Now let's move to the next one. Now next one we see we again have a flat. So again either it's D minor or F major. So let's check that one first. So the first note is D note and the last note is D note. So that means this is D minor scale. Now let's check either it's a D minor or is a D natural or D harmonic minor. For that we need to check if it's 7th degree is raised or not. So if we check the 7th degree, if we check this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so we see then one accidental here. Yes, because we already have a key signature, but this is an accidental and this is on the 7th degree. So that means this is raised by a semitone. That means it becomes harmonic minor scale. So we write D harmonic minor scale going down. Okay, now we'll make the triads. Let's make this third degree and then the fifth degree, first degree, third degree and the fifth degree. Now we'll represent it with this number, not the other one. Okay, now next as we move further, you can see this the last one. In this one because this is a bass clef and there is key signature given here. So this can be either E minor or G major. Okay, so if we check this note, this is E note and we're finishing with the E note. So that means it should be E minor. Now this is E natural minor or E harmonic minor. To check that we have to check the 7th note, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can see this is a natural note. It is not raised by a semitone. So that means this is a E natural minor scale going up. Okay, now to make a triad, just make this note, and here we make here and here. Now to represent it, we just put an one small one. Just remember this to this is E here, just so that it is clear to you. Yes, remember for this one. Okay, now let's move further. Now next you can see next question is label these scales. Here there are no key signatures, so check the accidentals instead, then write triad on the tonic and label them with chord symbol. So you have to see now, this time we're not showing with the Roman number, we're showing with a chord symbol, and we're writing the scale. Okay, so now let's check the scales, next scale. So in this one they have not given the key signature. We have to check within accidental that which scale is it. Okay, so you can see this is a bass clef, and the first note you can see is given is G, so it should be G major. Now if it is G major, that means the F, it should be F sharp. Okay, the key signature is F sharp. So let's check G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So F is sharp here, that means this is a G major scale. G major scale going up. Okay, and now we'll make the tonic triad like this. One over here, make a leisure line, and then one here, and the symbol we're gonna put G. Okay, because this is a major scale, so we don't put M with that. It's just the scale note over there. Okay, remember that. So next one, you can see next one is again, it is a bass clef, and the first note is given is A, C, E. So E, and if the last one is also E, so if this is E minor, then again the F should be sharp in this. That's a key signature of E minor. So if we check here, so 1, so this is E, F, so you can see F is given sharp, so this is E, this is a natural minor scale going down. Now you can see why I've given natural, because if you see the 7th note, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7th note is a natural note. It's not raised by a semitone. So if this would have been a harmonic scale, then this would have been a sharp in front of this note. Okay, so this is a natural minor scale. Now let's put the tonic triad here, and just will show with a E minor and E minor. Okay, so here we finish about this topic. Now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.